Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, September 23, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting. You?
I'm okay. Busy week ahead. This coffee smells great.
Yes, it does. I needed to start the day.
Me too. I had a long sales call last night. It kept me up late.
Oh, that sounds tough. What was it about?
Just closing a deal with a new client. They want more details on our products.
Nice. Congrats on that. Deals like that help the team.
Thanks. But now I need this coffee to wake up. Did you see the news this morning?
A little? I checked my phone while waiting for the bus.
Yeah, me too. That story about the Federal Reserve caught my eye.
The interest rate cut? Yes, I saw it.
They lowered rates by a quarter point. First time this year.
Right. It's to help the economy. The labor market is weaker now.
Exactly. Jerome Powell said it's a challenging situation with inflation and jobs.
Inflation is still around 3%. Not easy to balance.
For sales, this could be good. Lower rates mean businesses borrow money cheaper.
True. Our company might get better loans for new projects.
I hope so. Customers could spend more if loans are easy.
But it shows the economy slows a bit. We need to plan carefully.
Yeah. In my department, we track these things for forecasts.
As project manager, I look at how it affects timelines and budgets.
Smart. Does it change your current projects?
Maybe. We might adjust costs if rates stay low.
Good point. Pass the milk, please.
Sure it is.
Thanks, this coffee is perfect now.
So what else is in the news?
Oh, there was something about Europe. A cyber attack at airports?
Yes, I heard. It hit major airports there.
Flights stopped for hours. Many delays and cancellations.
Scary. Travelers were stuck. No check-ins or boarding.
Imagine that on a business trip. I fly sometimes for sales meetings.
Me too. For project updates with clients abroad.
If it happens here, our travel plans mess up big time.
We depend on tech for everything. Emails, bookings, all online.
Right. I use my laptop daily for client calls and reports.
In projects, we use software for tracking. A hack could stop us.
We should check our office security. Talk to an A about it.
I agree. Backups are key. Test them often.
Yeah, can't lose data on sales leads.
Or project files. It would delay everything.
True. This news makes me think about passwords. I change mine monthly.
Good habit. I do too. Two-factor is a must.
Smart. Anyway, enough worry. More coffee.
No, thanks. 1 cup is enough for me.
Okay. Hey, did you catch that story on media?
The one about right-wing takeover in the U.S.?
Yes, allies buying up news companies.
It's from recent reports. They control more broadcasts now.
It says it's harming press freedom. Less balanced news.
Worrying? We need fair info in business.
Exactly. For sales, I read Market News Daily.
In projects, we use reports for strategies. Biased news confuses.
Yeah. If media shifts, views on economy change.
And society. People see politics differently.
In the office, we discuss news. Stay open to all sides.
Yes, it helps in team meetings.
Right. Don't want one view only?
True. Diversity in info is like diversity in team.
Good way to say it. Makes us stronger.
Exactly. This coffee break is nice.
Yeah, clears the head before work.
So what's your day like?
Meetings all morning. Then client emails.
Sounds busy. Mine too. Project review at 10.
Good luck. Hope it goes smooth.
Thanks, you too, with sales.
Appreciate it. See any other news?
Not really. Focused on these 3.
Me too. They affect work a lot.
Yes, economy, tech, media, all connected?
True. Keeps things interesting.
For sure. Time to head back?
Almost. One more sip.
Okay. Don't want to be late.
Right. See you later in the hall.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.